How to fix Discord login error. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Discord login error. So what you need to do is, first thing first, you want to make sure to go ahead and ensure your credential is correct. There are no typos in your email or phone number. If your same email does not exist, the address is likely not registered to an account as well. And if you have or if you get an invalid email or password error and are unsure of the email, you could just use forgot your password link to receive a reset email as well. And if nothing works out, you could just visit the official Discord status page or a down detector to see if there is a widespread outage or not. So this way you should be able to fix. And full Discord or a fully closed Discord, you could just go ahead and make sure to update the app as well. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. Just go to Play Store or an app store and just tap on the search and type in Discord and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. So these are a couple things you could try to fix. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.